Tamtam.
Hey friends, let's learn today easiest and most useful words in daily life from our first vowel Kaano. હા મિત્રો, આજે આપણે કાનાની મદદથી બનતા ખૂબ જ જરૂરી અને સહેલા શબ્દો બનાવતા શીખીશું. તો શરૂ કરીએ. લેટ્સ બિગિન. બા means grandmother. ખા means eat. Cha means tea. Ha means yes. Na means no. Ja means go. Ma means mummy. Raja means holiday. Maja means fun. Dhaja means flag. Aag means fire. Jag means wake up. Kama means work. Gama means town. Nama means name. Hatha means hand. Gala means cheek. Kana means ear. Naka means nose. Vala means hair. Dala means lentil. Bhata means rice. Chasha means buttermilk. Gaya means cow. Sapa means snake. Vagha means tiger. Kacha means glass. Pana means leaf. Hara means loss. Rata means night. Kaka means uncle. Nana means grandfather. Dada means grandfather. Mama means uncle. Raja means king. Dana means seeds. Mala means necklace. Bahara means outside. Savala means question. Jawab means answer. Bajar means market. Vahana means sheep. Kapala means forehead. Varala means steam. Kabata means cupboard. Badam means almond. Gajar means carrot. Kagad means page. Kapad means cloth. Jhajam means carpet. Karan means reason. Makhan means butter. Bhashan means speech. Manas means human. Katar means scissor. Vasan means utensils. Dadam means pomegranate. Palak means spinach. Sagar means sea. Makan means house. Tapal means post. Hamana means now. Vatana means peas. Saman means luggage. Tapaman means temperature. Havaman means weather. Ananas means pineapple. Talawar means sword. Samachar means news. Sarakar means government.
If you love our video, please press like, share and subscribe to our channel Tamtam.